How to change the password of the File Transfer Protocol (FTP) account in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the Files section, click on the FTP accounts icon. Scroll down to the FTP accounts section. Under Actions, click on the Change Password button for the FTP account on which you need to change the password. You can either enter the password manually or generate a password automatically. To generate a password, click on the Password Generator button. Copy and save this generated password in a safe place. After saving the password, click on the checkbox. Click on the Use Password button. Click on the Change Password button. That's it, you have successfully changed the password of a FTP account in cPanel. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.